welcome to the virtual tour of 8 Shining Lane in Rockbank. This property is located in amongst similar townhouses. There's about 12 in total and directly opposite a park and playground. This townhouse has got very low maintenance surroundings, and as we enter, we have a security screen door. It is double level and there are 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. The first bedroom is located downstairs. Includes full mirrored robes, block out and translucent blinds. There is also ducted heating and the floors have just been replaced with hardwood. The downstairs bedroom has its bathroom with full shower, toilet and basin with mirrored cabinets. Past that first downstairs bedroom, we continue on to the open plan living. So we've got a large lounge space, split system heating and air conditioning, and a very modern kitchen with 5 burner stove, wide set oven, dishwasher, stone benches, plenty of cupboard space, double sink, large fridge space and pantry. There is plenty of storage. Just next to the kitchen, there is the understairs storage that houses the internet connection. Plenty of storage either side of the kitchen. And through, just past the kitchen, we have the laundry. The basin is on the wall, so therefore there is plenty of space for washing machine and dryer without being hindered by any other cupboard space. The open plan living takes you directly to a low maintenance courtyard, glass sliding door with screen, low maintenance garden beds, small grass area that needs some love and attention, clothesline, and you've got direct access straight from the double garage. As we head upstairs, we have a large central area, perfect for an additional living space or study zone. This level houses 2 extra bathrooms and 3 bedrooms. Facing the front of the property, this is the master upstairs bedroom that has its own split system unit, plus a small balcony, and overlooks the parkland This is the biggest bedroom, which includes large walk-in room, as well as full ensuite, mirrored vanity, double basin, shower. On opposite ends, so towards the back, we have the second upstairs bedroom with frosted glass, plus translucent and lockout blinds and mirrored robes. The twin bedroom next to it is exactly the same, with the same opaque windows, window furnishings, and mirrored robes. These two twin upstairs bedrooms share a combined powder room, as well as storage and a large bathroom. With shower, basin, mirrored cabinet,